is Ed Thompson. Welcome to the Evidentia tutorial series. Evidentia is very good at helping you organize your research into lists. But to be truly valuable, our research, like our sources, need to be indexed. Tagging our information with a claim type and a subject allows Evidentia to display our claims back to us in a meaningful way. Evidentia also allows us to provide multiple tags so that the same information can be used as evidence in answering many different research questions. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to tag your claims in Evidentia. Previously, I cataloged this claim from the 1850 U.S. Census for Concord, New Hampshire. The information could apply to any Thompson with the initials DH, but in this case I believe it is a reference to my fourth great-grandfather, Daniel Hart Thompson, and it provides information about his occupation in 1850. To tag the claim, I double-click on the last column of the claim row, opening the Tag Claim dialog. I select a claim type and a subject, and finally I click the Add Tag button. The claim tag is now added to the table below the tag selection area of the screen. And when I close the dialog, we can see that Evidentia has added the tag to the claim row. Because defining claim types properly is so important in Evidentia 3, you can no longer add them from the Tag Claim screen. Claim types can be found in the claim type list and can only be added or edited there. However, you can still add a subject from the Tag Claim screen. Simply enter the subject name, last name first, and hit Enter. And Evidentia will add the new name to the subject list. You will know the name has been added because the chip has been created. A pop-up at the bottom of the screen reminds us to define a gender for the subject in the List Manager. Gender is not required, but it does help to have one in other areas of the program. Here is a claim that references multiple subjects. In Evidentia 3, I can add each claim type and subject one at a time, or if the claim type is the same, I can add multiple subjects at once. And Evidentia will create separate rows for each. If you're not sure which of several subjects a claim refers to, tag the claim with both. When you work on the proof for each subject, it may be easier to sort out which subject the information refers to. If you need to change a claim tag, you will need to delete the existing one, then add a new one. This makes sense if you consider how difficult it would be for Evidentia to manage changes that had analysis or proofs associated with them. You have seen how Evidentia allows you to tag a claim with a single tag or with multiple tags. In the next tutorial, I will explain the different modes of a claim type and show you how Evidentia handles claim types involving a couple, such as a marriage.